Hey guys, hey guys, and today we will be following the game part 3, part 13. Sorry, I'm just saying up my chat, I didn't have enough time. And, what should we do for next? Because as you see, when you move your shop over here, wait, oh, I don't think we have like a big. Once I clicked high variable HP, oh, what the hell? High variable HP, and just do what? I receive, when I receive start the game, sure HP, sure, that's the HP. And you know that, just delete the dead. And also set HP to 1. And so, what the heck? Oh yeah, guys. We just need to, I actually kind of like it. I think oh, it's actually a fun game. This is what it looks like. And so, yeah. And our next upgrade will be like more dark. More dark. But less scratching. Thing that with practice. Just duplicate this. And it's pretty simple. Just delete what this nonsense. This costs 101 to 5. You're gonna unlock internet. We're gonna unlock new gardens. New. Wait. So it's gonna be an unreleased garden with the first star. With a fur. And it's gonna like have like a line of bullets. It's gonna have like secret weapons. Should say secret weapons. And this is pretty much good. Yeah. And extra guns. Extra guns. Unreleased. It's gonna be unreleased guns, and you're gonna have access to this. Yeah, no. This is gonna be the tripod. Tripod. And also it's gonna like things on the sides. It's gonna actually like maybe for the next part we are going to make 3 bullets. Maybe unreleased. And also say maybe unreleased. Uh, that's just a typo, just whatever. Maybe unreleased. I just said when I thought I just like do from 1 to 5. The secret guns. So make an environment called secret guns enable. 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 Enabled. Enabled. Set that. Secret gun enabled. Yes. No. I want it to show. Go to 0. No. Go to 0. 0. Let's go. Minus 43. That's pretty much the whole thing. Oh my god. And make that, wait, you need to make, you know this, all you need to do, take that off. Oh, what the hell? So, actually, this is gonna be called tripod. Oh my god. No! What the hell is going on? No! Don't want that! No. There. 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 New called tripod. Tripod one. Secret. Secret. And this place is off. Make another one. It's speed to 7.6. 76. Whoa! I'm just gonna slow. And say and let's say yes. Correct secret. Oh, oh. You're supposed to do it. Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do. Yeah. And water. Set secret nodes enabled to enable. No. And make a newsprint. Okay. Yeah. Lift. Yeah. Copy and paste this. Put vertical. Yeah. And root everything. Spin the middle. And do 7.8. 1.8. No. No. And yeah. And that's the end for this. Wait, we need to just try it. Actually, no, because that is the end of this episode. Hope you guys have a great day, and yeah. So, yeah, wait, stop recording. You know that Nico's neck, you know, if you haven't checked out part 12, check it out right now. Check it out. So, love you guys. Bye. 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 Bye.